Let's learn So Sexy. It's choreographed by John Robinson. It is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance with a restart on wall 5 after 24 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart, and then we're going to go through and dance 6 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn So Sexy. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a kick ball cross, so you're going to kick your right foot forward into the right diagonal, quickly step your right next to your left, and then cross your left over your right. We're going to step our right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. Make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 3 o'clock, and do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your kickball cross. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to point our right toe to the right side, step forward with your right foot. You're going to touch your left toe forward, keeping your weight back on your right. You're going to bump your left hip forward, back. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder as you bump your left hip to the left side, putting weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock, you're gonna bump your hip to the right, putting weight onto your right foot. We're now gonna make a quarter turn over our right shoulder as we bump our left hip back twice, bump, bump. We're now facing 9 o'clock and your weight is on your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our coaster step. So you're gonna do your point step with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do 2 walks forward, step right, left. You're now gonna quickly rock your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left and step forward with your right foot. We're now going to do heel clicks. So as you step your left foot to the left side, you're gonna bring both heels in and both toes out. So now you should be making like a V with your feet. We're now going to bring both toes and heels center, and then we're going to do it quick, out, in, bringing your toes out, heels in, and then back center. And then you're going to hitch your right knee up, putting your weight onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your walks. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to step our right foot to the right side, and as we do that, we're going to roll towards the right. So you're going to start with your head and shoulders. You're going to roll and sit down onto your right foot, having your weight completely on your right. We're now going to do a body roll to the left, and as we do that, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder. So we're going to roll to the left, making that quarter turn, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now facing 12 o'clock. We're going to do a syncopated vine with a quarter turn. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right. Quickly make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. You're going to step forward with your left, and then you're going to do a stomp up with your right, stomping your right foot next to your left, but not taking weight on it. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our heels with our hitch. So you're going to do your body roll to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your kickball cross. Kickball cross, side, touch, quarter, half, coaster step. Point, step, touch forward, bump hip forward, back, quarter turn, hip, hip, quarter turn, double hip, back. Walk, walk, quick side rock, step. Now it's your heel clicks, bringing them in, center, hitch. Now your roll, quarter body roll, side, behind, quarter step, stomp up. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your kickball cross. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Now let's talk about the restart. The restart's going to happen on wall 5, so it will be the first time we come back to the front. You're going to dance up to count 24, which is you doing the hitch. So we would be doing our step. You would do your heel clicks with your hitch, and then you would restart the dance facing 9 o'clock, coming all the way around, skipping those 2 walls, and this will become wall 6. You'll then dance the rest of the dance through until the end of the song. So let's dance up to count 24. Weight is on your left, starting with your kickball cross. So it's kickball cross, side touch, quarter, half, coaster step, point, step, touch, bump, bump, quarter, bump, bump, quarter, double back, bump, walk, walk, quick side rock step. Now it's your heel clicks, bringing them in, out, hitch. Right here, you're going to restart the dance, going into your kickball cross, side touch. After that, you dance until the end of the song. Technically, it ends facing a side wall. What I like to do is I dance through my hips. So I like to go forward, back, quarter, quarter, double back. So this is where the song technically ends. It does have a few counts. So I just kind of do a couple extra sways back to 12 o'clock so that I can end facing the front, but you don't have to. There is no ending listed on the step sheet. So now let's go around. We're going to dance 6 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the restart into the next wall. Weight is on your left. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Starting with your kickball cross, kick ball, cross, side, touch, quarter, half, coaster, step, point, step, touch, forward, bump, forward, back, quarter, bump, side, side, quarter, double, back, bump, walk, walk, quick side rock step. Now your heel clips, bringing them in, out, hitch, body roll to the right, quarter, body roll to the left, side, behind, quarter, step, stomp, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Kick, fall, cross, side, touch, quarter, half, coaster, step, point, step, touch, bump, forward, back, quarter, bump, bump, quarter, double, bump, back, walk, walk, quick side rock step. Now your heel clicks with your hitch, body roll to the right, quarter, body roll to the left, side, behind, quarter, step, stomp, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 24 counts. Kick, ball, cross, side, touch, quarter, half, coaster, step, point, step, bump, head forward, back, quarter, bump, bump, quarter, double, bump, back, walk, walk, quick side rock step. Now your heel clicks with your hitch restart, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn So Sexy. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys. Yeah. When you're not trying